I'm Ryan Jones out of the CBS19 Weather Center right now, where we're monitoring this rain that's moving with you as we go, or as you go through your morning commutes this morning. There's a lot of rain moving through. They're starting to fizzle out just a bit and move and head over to the southeast, but that does not mean that there aren't a lot of clouds sticking around, because they are all across the area, and we're going to see how that affects our temperatures, especially as we go into the later parts of today, because we could see another round of some storms. So as you're moving through today, make sure you bring that umbrella with you and even a rain jacket, because we're going to get 2 rounds, like I said, but this cloud cover is sticking around for just most of the area right now, not just us, but even as you move further west. So if you are heading towards Dallas, definitely bring that umbrella with you too, and maybe even a jacket possibly this morning. For those afternoon temperatures, just about lunchtime as you're heading out, well, temperatures will stay around the mid to upper 80s, and maybe even a few of us may touch 90, but that'll be just about the warmest we get, as it's a lot cooler than it's been for the last couple of days. Rain chances, well, on Friday, that'll be our next chance for some rain, about 30% chance, and I'll walk you through the timing of that. But check this out, next couple of days and going into the weekend, if you're heading to that fishing derby, bring a towel and bring some water, because it's gonna get hot. And then next week, no rain in the forecast, but maybe we can see if we can work something out. Hopefully we can get some rain going for us, but that next chance is only going to be on Friday. So make sure you're watching that and making sure you're taking the proper precautions, especially when it comes to heat. For the rest of the day, here's that future skycast. We're going to stay in this mid to upper 70 range, and then I was mentioning there's another chance for some rain going into the afternoon. Here it is, about 11:45 going into 12. There's that scattered, widespread rain that'll hit most of the area, helping us cool down, getting some more cloud cover, and then it moves out just around the time you're about to head home. So then that's when we're going to touch that 90, maybe even a couple of us going into the lower 90s, around 93 down there. But then we have the second system that pushes through, brings some clouds, and then it also brings another chance for some rain overnight. So you may hear some crackles of thunder again as you're going to sleep, and maybe even waking up early in the morning, like the time that I do to get here. So may even see some lightning, and then it'll start to really just have a lot of rain in and out as we go throughout the day. So if you do have some plans, maybe you want to start thinking about rearranging some things just in case you get caught in a shower or two as you go through your later parts of the day tomorrow. So if you do have some plans tonight, though, not as hot, still humid, because it is Texas. So 74 will be your low temperature for tonight. Partly cloudy with that east wind at 9 miles per hour. And then here's that 7-day. 90 degrees today, a lot cooler than what we've been seeing. 90 for the next 2 days, have that 30% chance of rain tomorrow, and then it starts to warm up. Check this out. On Wednesday, we can have triple digits. I'll come back and tell you just a little bit more about this heat and how we're going to see it and how it'll affect you when I come back. Mariah?
Thank you, Ryan. Well,